Welcome, welcome to Shoikot 24. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including article, social media posts, essay, code, and emails. ChatGPT is similar to the automated chat service found on customer service website, as people can ask it question or request clarification to ChatGPT's replies. The ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to how ChatGPT processes requests and formulates responses. Who created ChatGPT? OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research company, created ChatGPT and launched the tool in November 2022. It was founded by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works through its generative pre-trained transformer, which uses specialized algorithm to find pattern reading within data sequence. The transformer pulls from a significant amount of data to formulate a response. ChatGPT can also handle more complex tasks compared with previous models, such as describing photos, generating captions for images, and creating more detailed responses up to 25,000 words. What kinds of questions can users ask ChatGPT? Users can ask ChatGPT a variety of questions, including simple or more complex questions such as what is the meaning of life, or what year did New York become a state? ChatGPT is proficient with STEM disciplines and can debug or write code. There is no limitation to the types of questions to ask ChatGPT. However, ChatGPT uses data up to the year 2021, so it has no knowledge of event and data past that year. And since it is a conversational chatbot, users can ask for more informational or ask it to try again when generating text. How are people using ChatGPT? ChatGPT is versatile and can be used for more than human conversations. People have used ChatGPT to do the following: code computer programs and check for bugs in code, compose music, draft email, summarize articles, podcast or presentation, script social media post, create titles for article, solve math problem, discover keywords for search engine optimization, create articles, blog posts and quizzes for website, rewrite existing content for a different medium such as a presentation transcript for a blog post, formulate product description, play games, assist with job searches including writing resumes and cover letters, ask trivia questions, describe complex topic more simply, write video script, research market for product, and generate art. Unlike other chatbot, ChatGPT can remember various questions to continue the conversation in a more fluid manner. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comments and share.